Then I heard the voice of the Lord saying, Whom shall I send? And who will go for us?
I said, Here am I. Send me.
I took you from the ends of the earth, from its farthest corners I called you. I said, You are my servant. I have chosen you and have not rejected you, so do not fear.
I am the Alpha,
Do not be dismayed,
and the
for I
Omega,
am your God.
the first
I will strengthen you
and the last,
I will
the
uphold you
beginning
with my righteous right hand.
and the end.
All who rage against you will surely be ashamed and disgraced.
Jesus
Those who
is my
oppose you
love.
will be
Jesus
ashamed.
is my adoration. Jesus is my worship. Jesus is my sweetheart. Jesus is my eyesight. Jesus is the crown of glory over my head. Jesus is my strength. Jesus is my shelter, refuge. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life.
Says to you, do not fear, I will help you. This is what the Lord says, Israel's King and Redeemer, the Lord Almighty.